Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Yyai stock. This one today is down by 51% after that major run that we saw yesterday. We're going to be speaking about everything. I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on this over tonight's episode. If it sounds good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, guys, remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this is certainly not financial advice. Now, first things first, guys, this is the stock that we've been paying a lot of attention to over the last couple of weeks. It's seen a massive drop off, and I really think people have been looking at this as the potential for a little bit of a reversal trade, right? We've seen that drop, people have been looking for the move up. Now, yesterday we got a move, I believe it was from memory, around 138%, right? 138% up. Now, from there, like I say, we did go on to retest levels slightly higher. We tested numbers around the 1,896 mark again over here. Now, when we opened up this morning, we saw a major push down, and again, this is something which I do have my eye on. I said this in yesterday's episode, guys, and I say this, and I continue to say this, right? This is going to be a highly risky stock, and it's extremely risky to predict. This is kind of what you would expect, but the more it runs up in a short period of time, the more risk amplifies, in my opinion. And many people won't like to hear that, but it is simply my view, right? So on days where this stock goes up 100%, the risk, in my opinion, increases significantly. Now, this is also the kind of stock which is going to move fast, which makes predicting moves very difficult. Levels that I'm looking to hold on to into the next couple of days, initially this 9 range, 9000. If you can do that, I am potentially looking 4 pushes upwards. If you can't, I am looking to retest numbers in the 840s, the 0840, possibly even down to the 780s, maybe even down to the 760s. And we obviously did see this stock bottom out just a couple of days ago around about the 67 range. So again, my hope is that we can see this one consolidate briefly for a push onto numbers such as 97, maybe onto numbers such as 10. Of course, a push past 10 could take us on to 1080 and possibly even onto 12 and higher than that. Look, guys, this is going to be one of these stocks, and I'll say it again, I personally think when it does move, it will move large. It's just about predicting when that move is going to be. Keep your eyes on levels to the downside, of course, because this stock can move massively up or down. Again, I am looking to see if we consolidate. This is certainly one to have a lot of risk tolerance for. But again, I'm just looking to see whether this one holds specifically levels to the downside, and again, whether we're able to break above numbers such as 1190, 12 maybe, and even up to numbers such as 1290, 13, 14 potentially, then on to 15 or further. That's just my opinion. I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.